Hello, you are watching Halla Bol, our English news bulletin at this moment, and this is Rashmi here with you. Before going to the details, let's have a look at the headlines. Modi must rise to ensure justice to the Jawans, said ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Narendra Modi is actually surrender Modi. Rahul Gandhi took the dig at Prime Minister in a tweet on Ladakh issue. Skyrocketing increase in prices of petrol and diesel. Silent administration, common people are the real sufferers. Successful anti-drug operation by Shunamura police. Seized large amount of yaba tablets and fentanyl. Now the news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi must be mindful of implication of words, said former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on the issue of Ladakh via a press release on Monday. Ruling government must ensure justice for the Indian soldiers. Prime Minister must be mindful of implications of words, said former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on the issue of Ladakh via press release. Amidst a press release on Monday, Indian economist and former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said the ruling BJP government under Narendra Modi must rise to the occasion to ensure justice for Colonel B. Santosh Babu and our Jawans who have made the ultimate sacrifice and resolutely defended our territorial integrity. In a statement on Ladakh clash in which 20 soldiers were killed, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said the ruling government under the rule of Modi must rise to the occasion to ensure justice. Said to do any less would be a historic betrayal of the people's faith. He further added, at this moment we stand at a historic crossroad. The actions and decision of the government will have serious bearings on how the future generations will perceive the administration of India. Those who led us to bear the weight of a solemn duty, and in our Indian democracy that responsibility rests with the office of the Prime Minister, and for that reason Manmohan Singh said the Prime Minister must be mindful of implications of his words and declarations on India's security as also strategic and territorial interests. Also, amidst an all-party meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said, neither is anyone inside our territory nor any one of our posts are captured. When the Congress seized on the comment and questioned whether the Prime Minister meant Indian territory had been ceded to China, Manmohan Singh said China was brazenly and illegally seeking to claim parts of Indian territory such as Galwan Valley and Pangong Tso Lake by committing multiple incursions since April. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. From Manmohan Singh's letter to Rahul Gandhi's surrender Modi taught, Congress opens fire on BJP over China issue. Rahul Gandhi raised questions over social media saying, why is China praising Mr. Modi during this conflict? From Manmohan Singh's letter to Rahul Gandhi's surrender Modi taunt, Congress opens fire on BJP over China issue. The Congress party criticized the BJP-led central government's handling of the dispute with China over Galwan Valley and death of 20 Indian soldiers. Both former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and ex-party President Rahul Gandhi made statements highlighting how the Narendra Modi government is not being transparent on the matter and is letting China have the upper hand. In first remarks on the Ladakh face-off, Manmohan Singh on Monday said, Modi must be mindful of the implications of his words and cannot allow China to use them as a vindication of its position. Accusing the Prime Minister Narendra Modi of having surrendered the Indian territory to Chinese aggression, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took a swipe at him on Sunday, saying Narendra Modi is actually surrender Modi. Gandhi took the dig at the Prime Minister in a tweet wherein he tagged an article in the Japan Times with the headline, India's appeasement policy towards China China unravels. The Congress leader said even though the Prime Minister says no one has taken over Indian territory, satellite images show that the Chinese have captured Indian territory near Pangong Tso in the Ladakh. Also, the Chinese media could be seen welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi's comments on the border made at the all-party meet, saying they would pave the way for de-escalation. On this, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said over social media, China killed our soldiers, China took our land. Then why is China praising Mr. Modi during this conflict? Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Skyrocketing price of petrol and diesel continues to impact common man when they are already burdened due to coronavirus outbreak. Both central and state ruling BJP government are least to the suffer of Aam Aadmi or the common people. Rising petrol and diesel prices hurting the common man. According to the industry officials, the survey could be an eye-opening for the ruling BJP government in the centre as well as in the state, which is likely to face severe effect in sales of two-wheelers as steep hike in petrol rates could alienate the common people. According to reports, the skyrocketing petrol prices would dampen the demand for motorcycles and scooters, the only affordable means of personal transport in rural India. The other major consumer of diesel, that is the agricultural sector, is also likely to be affected by the hike in diesel prices. Common man suffers high fuel prices in the state where already they are severely dampened by coronavirus outbreak. The high retail prices of petrol and diesel continues to impact the common man, while the coronavirus scare and continued flat demand for oil has pushed down the global crude oil price has fallen sharply by over 24% over last 1 month. Petrol price hikes to rupees 79.57 per litre, whereas diesel comes to rupees 73.63 per litre in the state.
80 টাকা 63 পয়সা প্রায় 9 টাকার মতন এটা 9 টাকার মতন বেড়ে গেছে আর ডিজেলটা ছিল 80 টাকা 67 পয়সা এটা বাজার হয়েছে আমরা 73 টাকা 63 পয়সা প্রায় 9 টাকার মতন বাড়ছে
Petrol and diesel have become an indispensable part of day-to-day lives and people can't imagine their life without it. But the skyrocketing petrol and diesel prices are eventually going to affect each and everything that are used in daily lives. Poor people are already working hard to earn square meal a day, and this hike is definitely going to paralyze these already burdened people. Price hike affects the low wages or fixed salaried middle class families, where the existing middle class is squeezed to find persistence out of the remit. The ruling BJP government under Narendra Modi in the centre and Biplab Kumar Deb in the state are least bothered because it's the Aam Aadmi or the common people who are the real sufferers. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. 16,000 yaba tablets and 10,000 bottles of fentanyl seized by police in Shonamura subdivision. In a successful anti-drug and addictive staff operation, the police in different parts of Shonamura subdivision today seized 16,000 yaba tablets and 10,000 bottles of contraband cough syrup fentanyl. No one has been arrested in connection with the seizure, though a deserted vehicle was also seized by the police. Police sources, however, did not disclose the name of the vehicle owner and the driver in the interest of investigation. The incident occurred under Shonamura police station. In a separate incident, police personnel from Jatrapur police station seized altogether 10,000 bottles of contraband fentanyl cough syrup from a truck. 2 persons have also been arrested in connection with the seizure. Sources from Shonamura said that a section of smugglers were trying to step up business, taking advantage of lockdown and resultant preoccupation of the administration with COVID care work.
কালকে যে প্রথম খবরটা আমরা পেয়েছি সেটা যাত্রাপুর থানায় আমরা একটা খবর পেয়েছি যে যাত্রাপুর থানায় একটা সোর্স ইনফরমেশন ছিল যে যাত্রাপুরে আমাদের সোনামুড়ার দিক থেকে একটা গাড়ি যাত্রাপুরের দিকে যাচ্ছে, ওর মধ্যে কন্ট্রাব্যান্ড আইটেমস আছে। সেই অনুযায়ী এসডিপিও সোনামুড়া সাথে ওসি সোনামুড়া পিএস এবং স্টাফ নিয়ে আমরা সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ওদেরকে ডিরেক্ট করা হয়।
Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halla Bol.